welcome you all to the first video of my spoken English series, which includes some practical suggestions to improve your fluency and communication skills, some real life based practice sessions, and daily use phrasal verbs, idioms, and vocabulary. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our today's topic is how to talk to strangers and why it matters. If you want to speak fluently, talking to strangers is one of the best tools. Because when you are approaching a stranger for a conversation, you are actually stepping out of your comfort zone, right? It means you are boosting your confidence and recovering from that hesitation or nervousness which earlier used to stop you from speaking English. So, in today's video, I'll tell you how to start a conversation with strangers and some do's and don'ts related to it. So, the first point is start with common topics. You heard it right. While initiating a conversation with a stranger, never begin with personal questions like where are you from, where are you going, or what do you do. Talk about something related to your surroundings, like weather or traffic. Some example sentences could be, it's really hot today, isn't it? Or, traffic looks better than usual today. Or, such a peaceful evening, right? Yes. So let's move to the next point, which is pick the right person. Yes, it's very important to pick the right person who looks approachable, safe, and professional. You have to trust your instinct. Third one is very important. Keep your personal information private. Avoid sharing your address, number, or too much personal details. Yes, you have to stay polite, but you have to stay careful also, right? Next one is talk to strangers more often. See, these strangers are not going to judge you for your grammar mistakes or any other mistakes. So you can actually grab this chance to practice freely. Next is speak to people from different backgrounds. Yes, if you interact with people from different regions or backgrounds, you are boosting your confidence and at the same time you are improving your knowledge as well. Sixth and the most important suggestion is fluency over perfection. As a spoken English learner, you shouldn't aim for perfect grammar. Rather, your focus should be respectful language, proper vocabulary, and fluency. And you have to remember that real communication is not about making corrections, it's about making connections, right? And one bonus tip also, try to talk about the things regarding which you have ample knowledge, because that will give you the freedom to focus on your speaking rather than thinking about the content part, right? Okay. So with this, we have reached the most interesting point of our video, which is role play session, right? So topic is capturing conversation, and this conversation is for beginner and lower intermediate level learners. Instructions are, I'll read the blue parts and you'll respond with the red parts. Let's begin. So the situation is we are sharing a cab. The conversation starts after sitting quietly for a few minutes. I am looking out the window and I start the conversation by saying, wow, traffic is not too bad today. Now your turn. Yeah, that's true. I thought I would be stuck here for hours. Yes, you actually took a right decision because metro is so crowded in the evening. Yeah, that's true. By the way, I am Metha. Oh, nice to meet you too, Jaya. Hey, don't ask. It was a super busy day, back to back classes and then meetings. Oh, by the way, what do you do if you don't mind me asking? Oh, that's great. I teach communication skills, mostly to teens and adult learners. Hey, thank you. That means a lot. And you too, you speak very confidently. Hey, as a trainer, I must say that's great. You're on the right path. And you seem comfortable speaking, which is rare. I agree. Small talk goes a long way. And that's it. Now we have reached last part of our video. I hope you like practicing with me. Now let me know in the comment section which part of the video you enjoyed the most. The tips or the real conversation activity. And if you actually found this video helpful, do me a small favor by supporting me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video. You can also share this video with others who are interested in improving their spoken English and communication skills. And I'll see you again in another video with more practical and fun content to help you become more confident in spoken English. Let's keep learning together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, everyone. Take care.